I'm going to go over the steps to create the puzzle piece for you. This video is generated after the project is due, so this way if you're behind, you're going to have to take notes and you're going to have to turn in those notes. So these are very detailed pieces of information, so you're going to have to take notes and turn those in because of the time frame you have for your particular project and where you're at. So File New or Command N. Here you're going to name it your first and last name, so your first name underscore, your last name underscore, and then puzzle. If you don't name it properly, not going to look at it. So it's going to be a customized. The dimensions for the puzzle was 5 inches in width, 3.5 inches in height. So we're going to add 1/2 inch to each of those. So 5.5, make sure that you choose inches. 3.5 plus 1/2 inch is going to be 4 inches. Resolution is 300. And click OK. So this is the entire width with the excess that you need for the bleed lines. This way your photo or your background is going to be beyond the area. So this particular case, we also need the rulers, which they are already exposed. We're going to hide them. So it's Command R if you do not have them. If you need them, Command R. There are different ways to place the guides. The guides are these particular lines that help you position and place things within your graphic design or your project. If you notice when you're on the Move tool, which is this tool right here, if you move the cursor changes. You can move them and you can see where that particular coordination is on the Y coordinate. We need to place them 1/4 of an inch from the outside edge. There's another way you can place them. You're going to go View, New Guide. We have the option of horizontal or vertical. We're going to place the horizontal ones. So we're starting from 0 all the way to 4. 1/4 of an inch from 0 is going to be 1/4. So just as you would have 25 cents, it'd be 0.25, and it places it there. I'm going to go back again, New Guide. This time it's going to be 1/4 minus the 4 inches. So if you had $4 and you took away 1/4, it would be 3.75, and it's placed there. Now we need the vertical ones, so it's going to be View, New Guide. We're going to change that to vertical. So if we start from the 0 point, which is right here, it's going to be 1/4 from that, so that's 1/4, 0.25. And then we're going to do the same thing with the one on the very end. So it's 5.5, so you have $5.50 minus 1/4, 5.25. Right, so we have that particular piece of information there. So this is the starting point of what you need for your puzzle piece. So this is the first section of the video. I'm going to keep them short, and then we're going to continue with the next steps.